Hi, I'm Anna from GiveMeTheGold.com. Thanks for your interest in gold IRAs. Gold IRAs are a great way to protect your retirement savings from the effects of high inflation and the potential of another major stock market decline, like we saw in 2008. Now is a great time to take steps to preserve your retirement savings from financial ruin. In most cases, traditional IRAs, 401k plans, among others, can be easily rolled into a gold IRA with some major tax benefits. We at GiveMeTheGold.com would like to introduce you to our #1 recommended company, Augusta Precious Metals. In this video, we will go through some of the advantages of Augusta Precious Metals as well as some customer testimonials, including NFL legend Joe Montana, as well as telling you about their stellar reputation as a customer-focused company. So sit back and enjoy the presentation.
Who is Augusta Precious Metals? Company overview and background. Who is Augusta Precious Metals? You may be asking. It's a fair question. If you haven't heard of them, it might seem unlikely that they're one of America's top gold IRA companies, but they are. In fact, we have yet to find another gold IRA company with more experience or more commitment to personal client service. What makes Augusta Precious Metals one of America's top gold IRA companies? Augusta has designed several packages to accommodate different investors and their budgets. These include gold bullion, pre-rolled gold coins, silver bullion, and silver coins. Are you searching for top gold IRA companies? Then, it's important to consider both costs and quality. Many new investors start off looking for high-quality products at discounted prices. While they may find them, they often get caught up in sales pitches that make something that seems too good to be true. While quality and price should go hand in hand, some top gold IRA companies will push one or the other first, giving them a great starting point from which to sell their products. Company leadership. Who is Isaac Nuriani? In addition to being one of Augusta's co-founders, he's also a registered investment advisor with over 15 years of experience in precious metals investing. He's been quoted in Forbes, The Wall Street Journal, and other publications. His team includes professionals who have worked at Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, and other major financial institutions. You can be confident that your assets are in good hands when you work with Augusta. Who is Devlin Steele? Devlin is a Harvard graduate and Augusta Precious Metals Director of Education. He takes the time, along with his team, to explain everything to customers in a way they can understand on the live webinars they offer their new prospective clients. You can trust Augusta Precious Metals when you need help investing your money in gold IRAs. Joe Montana, actual Augusta customer and now their spokesperson. Joe Montana, former NFL quarterback, comes to Augusta Precious Metals from his venture as spokesperson for California-based Family Wealth Group. A man of many accomplishments, he's best known for leading San Francisco to 4 Super Bowl wins in 14 years. In 1988, Joe was named MVP and won an SP award for Best Athlete in America. He's widely considered one of football's greatest players of all time. There's no question that Montana's success in life has come from hard work and determination. He chose to work with Augusta Precious Metals because he believes it offers investors top-notch precious metals products, and provides exceptional service to customers of all sizes. Furthermore, his trust for Augusta Precious Metals is based on years of experience in finance and investing, as well as his personal experiences with their staff. In today's day and age, there are many fraudulent companies that provide false information about precious metals, which makes it very hard for investors like you to know where to invest your money. This also makes it very difficult to choose who you want to do business with. The team at Augusta Precious Metals can help you find exactly what you need.
Advantages of Augusta Precious Metals. Here are the advantages Augusta Precious Metals has over their competitors, and why you should choose them for your precious metals needs. Knowledge. Augusta Precious Metals can provide advice custom tailored to your unique financial needs. Commitment. To help you achieve your financial goals, Augusta's team is dedicated to providing top customer service. Respect. Augusta's teachers help their clients by simplifying the process of getting started setting of gold IRAs and investing. Accessibility. You will never have to go on a wild goose chase to find help with Augusta. You will be assigned an agent if you have important questions or need help. Transparency. They don't charge hidden fees and are transparent. They communicate regularly and clearly to ensure you fully understand what is going on. Selection. Augusta Precious Metals has a wide selection of silver and gold coins from various mints around the globe. Coordinating. The team of experts will work with you even after the initial investment and be available for advice or questions. Augusta Precious Metals offers a 7-day price protection. Because precious metals value fluctuates, you can adjust your purchase price to reflect the new lower price. Augusta Precious Metal offers a 100% money-back guarantee for first-time customers of premium gold and silver coins. You can return your entire purchase within 7 days if you are not satisfied with it. Augusta Precious Metals can also help you liquidate any storage holdings. Augusta Precious Metals can liquidate your precious metals and wire the cash to you quickly to allow you access to the funds that you require. You can also choose to have the metals shipped to your home at a faster rate than Augusta Precious Metals does.
Augusta Precious Metals IRAs. Augusta Precious Metals is a great place to start a precious metals account to diversify your portfolio. Their team has extensive experience in helping people roll over retirement accounts and set up new gold or silver IRAs. They would love to assist you. The team has worked to make the process as simple as possible and save you as much time as possible. After you have decided to open a precious metals IRA at Augusta Precious Metals, you will work with one of their self-directed IRA custodians. They will help you arrange the funds for the account. This could be from a personal account or a transfer from an IRA that is eligible to roll over. Augusta Precious Metals can work with qualified IRA custodians companies such as Gold Star Trust Company or Equity Trust. To ensure smooth transfers, you will be partnered with one of these custodians. Only a few retirement accounts are eligible to roll over. It can be difficult to determine if yours is eligible. They have the expertise and training to assist you in determining eligibility for your account. Augusta Precious Metals will receive the funds and you can choose which gold or silver coins to add to your account. Talk to one of Augusta Precious Metals experts if you have any questions about which coins to invest in or how much gold and silver you would like to add to your account. IRA approved coins. To be able to hold precious metals in an IRA, you must meet certain criteria. Except for the American Eagle gold coin, all gold bars and coins must be at least 99.9% pure. All silver coins and bars must have a minimum 99.9% purity. Augusta Precious Metals secure storage. You are not permitted to keep the bars and coins in your precious metals account by yourself when you create an IRA. The IRS requires precious metals to be kept in an approved storage facility. Augusta Precious Metals provides storage at many IRS-approved depositories throughout the country. Augusta Precious Metals will help you to set up a precious metals IRA. They will handle all of the steps necessary for your precious metals getting to the storage facility. Your precious metals, such as gold and silver, will be shipped securely to a secure location with high-tech security. Augusta Precious Metals fees. One of my biggest pet peeves in business today is unscrupulous companies who take advantage of people's lack of knowledge to sell overpriced, inferior products or services. In fact, I believe that every company should have its fees and policies clearly stated online, and most of them don't. There are only two reasons to charge someone for your product or service. 1. You are providing value for money, and 2. You provide an irreplaceable service. If you feel like you fall into both categories, be transparent about your pricing so everyone knows what they are getting for their money. If you're buying precious metals from another company, ask them about their fee schedule so you know how much you'll actually be paying. Make sure they don't bury hidden charges in fine print. Peace of mind with Augusta Precious Metals. For your peace of mind, Augusta Precious Metals has been in business since 2011. This means they've had plenty of time to work out any bugs that might have appeared during their growth. They are well established and experienced with gold investing and IRAs. With that said, you should know from their website that they aren't some fly-by-night company. They are a business you can trust to keep your money safe for years to come. Check out some of their reviews and read about other people's experiences. A lot of satisfied customers is a good sign. Augusta has the highest rating with the Business Consumer Alliance, 4.97 out of 5 with the BBB, and the Best of TrustLink 6 years in a row. Also a 4.9 out of 5 with Google My Business, 4.8 out of 5 with Facebook, and a perfect 5 out of 5 with Consumer Affairs. Augusta also is the only gold IRA company with 0 complaints, a testament to their integrity and dedication to the best customer service in the business.
My name's Brian Panebecker. I live in Macomb County, Michigan. I'll be turning 60 years old in about a week. I'm nearing retirement. After bouncing around a little bit, I hired in at Ford Motor Company, and I've been working for Ford Motor Company for 23 years now. My wife and I like to exercise and work out. We walk together, we bike ride together. My wife and I like to travel a little bit, and as I'm getting closer to retirement, one of the considerations that I had was having enough money to take some trips. Our family is very important to us. We want to be able to enjoy our retirement years and spend time with our sons and their families down the road. I'm going to have a small pension coming to me from the 11 years that I worked at Chrysler Corporation, and I'll have 24 years with Ford Motor Company when I retire in 18 months. But neither one of them are going to be big enough to rely on, so I've got some money in my 401k that I recently rolled over into an IRA with Augusta Precious Metals. If I schedule an appointment, I can go to the depository where my silver is going to be held, and I can actually see the silver that I've invested in. I can hold it in my hands. There's several out there that offer investing, and you see a lot of advertisements on television. But Augusta made the process very simple. They answered all my questions. They explained everything to me very clearly. And I just felt very comfortable with Augusta. I'm looking forward to some traveling, spending some time with my family, some good years of retirement. And Augusta's going to help me do that.
My name's Herbert Campbell. I was born in Philippi, West Virginia, and we moved to the Cleveland area when I was in first grade. First real job I had was at Alcoa, and moved into salary, and I worked there for 29 years, and I took a buyout. I like to hunt and fish, play a little golf, and actually do some Civil War reenacting with some friends. My dad worked hard. He worked at Alcoa also, retired from there. And one of the things we stressed was the dependable, and try to save something for the future. Try to make sure you have something to fall back on. And that's what I kind of what I did. I trust that the metals are always going to be worth something, gold or silver. I called 3 or 4 companies, and I chose Augusta because they were very friendly, very knowledgeable, everybody that I had contact with, and they made it really easy. I found the right one that I could trust, and I felt comfortable each step. Just they told me exactly how to do it, what to do, and it was stress-free. That's the best way I can explain it. It was stress-free. Most of the paperwork, which there wasn't a lot, a couple forms I had to sign and fill out, we did on the computer, and never had to leave the house. I think what I most remember is Roy Tate was very knowledgeable and really friendly, and I could talk to him one-on-one, and it made things very easy. In fact, I've made a second transaction with them. So if they weren't good and I didn't feel comfortable, I certainly wouldn't have went back again.
Hi, I'm Joe Montana. I had a lot of success in my football career, and it wouldn't have been possible without a great team protecting me. I'm here to tell you about my dedicated and knowledgeable team at Augusta Precious Metals that helped diversify my portfolio to protect my hard-earned retirement savings. Augusta's professional economic analysts will show you what they showed me through a live web conference packed with valuable information that bankers and Wall Street players don't want you to know. To get the playbook, all you have to do is sign up for the web conference. So hit that sign up link and get coached by a winning team. It's one you can't afford to miss.
I'm sure after watching this presentation, you can see why Augusta Precious Metals is a top company for a gold or silver IRA. They really care about their customers and make sure they are well taken care of. The next step is getting in touch with the friendly, helpful staff for a free IRA guide and a zero sales pressure informational webinar with Augusta's education team, who will explain to you all the details and answer all of your questions. Request information online by clicking the link below the video or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call Augusta at 1-800-953-3538. Once again, the number is 1-800-953-3538. Thanks again for your time today. I'm Ann from GiveMeTheGold.com, wishing you the best of luck on your financial journey. Take care.